Good morning, everyone. It's Coach Tam, 100-pound weight loss success story and transformation coach based here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Listen, I wanted to hop on this morning and talk about a very important topic, lunch. Most of us know that we would be better off, not just physically, but also financially, if we took the time to pack our lunch. But sometimes the biggest problem is time. How do I put together something that is quick and easy and also tastes good? So this morning, I'm going to answer that question for you by sharing 3 simple lunch options that you will actually enjoy. So if this is beneficial to you, please go ahead and give me a like and also share with other friends so that they can benefit too. All right, let's go ahead and jump in. So first on the list is something that you may not expect: a burger. Now, a lot of times when we think about healthy eating, we don't think about burgers, but all we need to do is make a few adjustments. So let me talk through it. So first of all, I want you to choose higher quality protein. So something like 90% lean hamburger or a ground turkey would be best. You'll also want to swap the bread for something like a romaine lettuce to wrap your burger in. You'll also want to add some tomatoes and avocado. Now, what are the benefits of adding tomato and avocado to your burger? Well, first, it's going to help it taste great. This is one of the things that I love to eat. But it also is going to help you from a heart health standpoint. Studies have shown that both tomatoes and avocados reduce risk for heart disease, stroke, and even there's a connection for diabetes as well. So this is something that you can really easily put together and actually enjoy your lunch. Second on the list is, again, something that you may not expect: chicken salad. Now, I personally am a chicken salad lover. But one of the things that I've had to learn is how to healthify. That's what I call making those modifications so that it's something that actually can fit reasonably into your diet. So I want to share with you some things that I put into my chicken salad that will allow you to enjoy it, but to cut back on the calories and the fat, okay? So here's the recipe: 4 ounces of pre-cooked low-sodium chicken, all right? I get mine sometimes from Sam's Club. They have great deals there. You'll also want to mix it with red seedless grapes. Just go ahead and slice them in half, really quick and easy. And then throw in some mashed avocado. Mix it all together, add some salt and pepper, and you're done. Quick, simple, tasty. Now, just like we did with the hamburger, we're actually going to put it in lettuce instead of bread. And I really like to use butter lettuce for this one, all right? And last but not least, this one is really going to be helpful as we transition to a cooler point in the year, and it is chili. Chili can be a part of a healthy diet. So let's talk about how we put together a healthier version of chili. And you're going to love this because when you do it, you're going to get 4 to 6 servings out of this. So this is going to be awesome. So the first thing that we do is we take a 1/2 pound of ground lean hamburger and we mix it with a 1/2 pound of ground lean turkey, and you brown that, okay? And then all you do is take some onions, some tomatoes, things like that, go ahead and saute them, and then add in vegetables instead of beans so that it becomes a healthier version of your chili. Again, this allows you to knock out something in one setting in the kitchen and be able to eat on it 4 to 6 times. And I love things like that because it cuts back on time. So I hope that these 3 options, a healthy-fied burger, all right, chicken salad, and chili, are things that you will consider adding to your diet. If this has been helpful to you, go ahead, give me a like. Let me know that this has been a help. And again, please share it with your friends so that they can benefit too. You can also pick up more tips at my website at www.265point.com. Have a great day and God bless.